Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Discord no root host connection error on Windows. The first thing to try is flushing your DNS cache. Open the Start menu, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears old network information stored on your computer and allows Windows to create a fresh connection. If the problem continues, change your DNS server. Open Windows Search, type View Network Connections and open it. Right-click your active internet connection and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.4.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK to save the changes. Using Google's DNS servers can improve connection reliability. Next, reset Discord's voice settings. Open Discord and click the gear icon to open user settings. Select voice and video, scroll to the bottom, and click Reset All Voice Settings. Confirm the reset, then restart Discord and test your voice connection again. If the error only happens in one server and you are the server admin, change the voice server region. Right-click the voice channel, select Edit Channel. Find Region Override and change it from automatic to a server region that is closer to you and your members. Save the changes and reconnect to the voice channel. Thanks for watching.